let us see how we can add and delete elements to the set. We can add elements to set or update existing ones. For that, we can use add, update, or union. We can delete elements from the set using different functions: pop, remove, discard, clear. So let's create a set. There are 7 elements assigned to it. However, it will contain only 4 elements because there are duplicates in our list of elements that are passed while creating this set. And hence, if I say yes, it will only return 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I can say s.add of 5, which will take care of adding the 5th element. You can validate by saying yes here. If you want to get the help on add, you can just say s.add question mark like this, and you should be able to get the help. Add an element to a set. That is what add will do. Now if you look at the help on update, it says update a set with the union of itself and others. So you can pass a new set to existing set and it will perform the union of both and it will return a new set when you use update. So in this case, s already have 1, 2, 3, 4, and when I say s.update 4, 5, 6, 7, the union of these two will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can run this and then run this and you can see the result. You can also use union for this. Returns the union of sets as a new set. In case of update, it actually updates the existing set itself. That's why you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for yes. However, the difference with union is union returns the union of sets as a new set. Now, if I create set by yes by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also if I say s.union to add 4, 5, 6, 7, the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. However, if you look at yes, it is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. The existing set is not updated. A new set is created when we say s.union. That means we have to assign it to a different variable if you want to use this new set after union elsewhere. Now to delete elements, one of the functions you can use is s.pop or set.pop. You can get the help. Remove and return an arbitrary set element. It can return any element from the set. As of now, our s have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I say s.pop, it will just return one element. One is removed here, and you can actually validate. You are only seeing 2, 3, 4, 5 now. When it comes to remove an element from a set, it must be a member. So if you pass a valid member, it will just remove from the set. In this case, I am trying to remove 4 from our set which contain 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is removed. You can validate by saying yes like this. We have 2, 3, 5. Now if I pass a non-existing element to remove, it will throw an error. It actually throws key error. You can see here 6 does not exist and it is throwing keys error. Now let me create this set with 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's see discard. Remove an element from a set if it is a member. However, if the element is not a member, it doesn't do anything. So the difference between remove and discard is if the element doesn't exist, remove fails, whereas discard, it will not fail. It just do nothing. Now I can say s.discard of 4. S doesn't contain 4 now. 6 is not there as part of set yes. However, if we run this, even though 6 is not there, it is not doing anything. You can validate our yes. S contains 1, 2, 3, 5, which is our original set before running discard of 6 on top of that set yes. Now let's check the help on clear. All elements from this set. You can run this and then you can run this. You can see that the set is empty. This is how you should be able to add elements to the set or update elements in the set or delete elements from the set.